stoplight happens all the time. And I'll get an old lady in her 80s giving you one of these. You know what I mean? And when you get that, you know you're bringing joy to the world. Yeah. You know you're bringing joy to the world. Thank you. Lotus Super 7 design, LS3 Motor.
Okay. No, that's the one. This is a Lotus Super 7 design, LS3 motor, 430 horsepower, dead stock, 256 Magnum transmission, get rag independent limited slip diff. Weighs 1,920 pounds. Florida. We were going to produce and manufacture these cars, but at the last minute we changed our mind. We're going all electric. And so this is 430, and we're going to have pretty close to 1,000 horsepower in the electric. We're going to have removable batteries in the electric, so that if you're tracking it, you can take out 300-400 pounds out of the car, because you don't need a full set of batteries to go, 20 minutes. And we're going to have super capacitors in the electric car, so when you slam on it, the super capacitor dumps. Also, the regen is great in the super capacitors.